Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy AC Legend. I'm here back with another video. Yo, so everybody that know, I had originally bought this property in the summertime. Right here, man, it took me about 7 months to be able to get these tenants out. Finally, the judge put them out. So now I'm about to go in here. We about to clear this thing out to be able to get the contractors in here to get the flip going. It should only take us about a month to get everything done. So that's what we about to do. I'm gonna show you guys the inside, see the damages. I got my dad here, my boy G here, my Uncle Mo here. We got the trailer, and yeah, we trying to get this thing flipped over so we can still turn a profit on it and just be done with it. All right, y'all, so this is the crib. The front porch got a pile right here. Decent little pile right there. All this stickers and shit I'm about to get this shit off the wall. Basement, flooring. Okay, so down here, there was a little leak, well, a big leak, I should say, that they didn't say nothing about the tenants. Obviously, just on some bullshit. On some BS. Electric box, electric panel. Okay, this is the basement. That's where the washer and dryer would have been. Quick view of the kitchen. Smaller kitchen. You can get all this torn out. Yo, what's going on YouTube? A little update. As you can see behind this trailer, about halfway full. Give you guys a run through. The house is pretty much cleared out. I'm gonna go back and get everything off these walls. House is cleared out. The tenants bleached the carpet. Obviously they were mad, they had to get the hell out of here. They bleached the carpet, so carpets are no longer good. Made a friend here with this cat. Cat's just posted up, walking through the crib. I'll take you guys upstairs now. Upstairs. Looking good, making good timing. Going up these stairs. Boom. So here's one bedroom right here. Second bedroom. Here's the main bedroom right here. Boom. And it also has like a second bedroom to it. Could be like a bigger closet. Ceilings look nasty. I guess there was a roof leak earlier. It's fixed though. There's nothing leaking now. No moisture, nothing getting in. The tenants also flooded my basement. I'll show you that in a minute. Now I'm not sure if they did it purposely or, it flooded and they just didn't give a damn, so they just allowed it to flood. Like I said, they didn't care for us buying the home. It really wasn't us they didn't care for. They actually didn't care for their landlord previous to us who sold the property up under their nose. So this is bedroom number 4 and bedroom number 5 up here in the attic space. Decent space, smaller rooms, but they got doors. They got closets. So they're bedrooms. They got windows as well. Like I said, guys, this is my first flip. I actually used hard money to do this one. It is a 5-bed, 2-bathroom. Let me see, show you guys the bathroom here. I'm breathing kind of hard because 1, I'm running these stairs. 2, I'm carrying stuff from. I'm just carrying stuff. Getting all that crap out of here. Bathroom, pretty decent shape. Obviously, I'm gonna replace the toilet. I'm gonna demo out this, replace all this. Fresh tile. Toilet's actually not that bad now, look at it, but still replace it, get a fresh look. And yeah, man, so stay part of the journey. I'll show you guys out back. There's a bunch of wood and debris and an extra sink. So I'm not sure if someone was dumping behind this or, again, the tenants just decided to leave stuff back there. But what I do know is when I first came to see the property, it wasn't there. So these are all things I'm gonna have to fight legally in court as far as trying to get reimbursed for obviously this clean out job, obviously clean up for the stuff out back, and then hopefully some of these damages like this bleached carpet. Because when I bought this home, carpets are fresh, now they're bleached, but it's all good. Gotta just roll with the punches on this one. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's day 2 and I am back in here. I'm gonna flip the camera around to show you guys kind of what we got done, but I'm back in the property. As you see, stuff is getting moved out. There's a sink sitting over there. Team is in there right now, tearing up the floors. Here's the floors of the kitchen. Floors getting torn out. And as they're doing that, I'm gonna start going ahead and taking down the little things, nails, getting everything ready for the paint, for the painters to come in and do their job. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So I just stopped at Menards. I'm grabbing some materials. I actually did it already. Got some stuff for my painters. So my painters should be in there on Monday. So coming in on Monday, hopefully I can get in by the weekend. Are you open? Cool. And I'll be able to keep you guys posted. So give me a second, I'm gonna get checked out and I will go ahead and reach back out to you. Yo, so I'm done with Menards. I had to grab some help, and I'm back here at the property. I just walked through the property with one of my contractors, talking about some of the exterior things we need to get done. This beam, sheesh, it's all messed up. So this beam gotta go, gotta get replaced. I'm gonna replace this whole beam right here as well. A couple minor things that need to be done with the siding, but it's not in too bad of shape. Let me show you guys where we're at here. Right now I got Mr. Howard's down here knocking out some furnace work. The basement had flooded, which caused the furnace to go out. So he's replacing the blower, the brains, pretty much everything that was on this lower level because it wasn't sitting up on bricks and it got flooded out. I'm also got my electric. It's gonna get done today as well. This had got wet as well, which I think it was purposely done, but we're not gonna blame nobody unless we really know the truth. Get up here. Kitchen is completely demoed out. Contractor ran through the kitchen work. I'm gonna do hardwood floors. I'm changing up, I'm doing hardwood floors. Bathroom's gotta get done. Flooring, toilet down here, fixtures. Hardwood floors need sanded and finalized. Same down here, all hardwood floors throughout. Got some paint material over there. Our paint team's gonna be here in a couple days. All this carpet's getting ripped up. That's getting ripped up. Hardwood floors, hardwood floors. Hardwood floors. In this room, we're gonna recarpet. Recarpet this room, because look, you pull up under here, and there's tile. So at one point in time, this was somebody's kitchen. And that can't be. Right here, we're gonna do some new ceilings up here. We're just gonna cover that up, make it look nice and good. Replace a couple of these doors. Yeah, other than that, we're going good. We're going strong. These are gonna get hardwood floors again. Hardwood floors. Hardwood floors, and fresh paint. This is like a heater up here, an electric heater. I'm gonna keep that. New doorknobs, new handles, new all that. Has to get installed. We got up here. That's interesting. I don't know what that is or why they did that. Interesting though. And that needs to get replaced. See that? That little fake brick? I'm gonna get it up like this one over here. Oh, you can't barely see it. There it is, that white. So I'm gonna take this brick off and put that white. Other than that, we're rocking, we're rolling, we're loaded. And we're ready to get this thing done. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So, yes sir. Came down here, my guys is fixing the furnace right now. Yeah, I'm looking to buy more. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So I wrapped up for the day. Mr. Howard was finalizing on that furnace. I actually have to fly out back to Atlanta. The property's in Ohio. I got to fly back to Atlanta. So I'm going to fly back to Atlanta. I'm going to come back to the property on Monday. Hopefully the furnace is on. Painters are in there painting. And everything is just going as scheduled. So some things I have to do is my contractor, we haven't quite yet made a full-blown commitment or made an agreement to each other yet. So there's a few things in the contract that I want to get worked out. There's a few things that he wants to get worked out. So we're looking to meet somewhere in the middle to be able to keep the project going forward. I have other contractors that I can use, but this guy was highly recommended by my good buddy Admir. So I would like to use some of his people because I know Admir has the experience, and I know he's not going to send me no one who isn't going to get the job done and do a good job at it. So I'm going to lock in with him as far as our agreement. I still have to grab some more material. So cool thing about it, man, it's 2023. I'm able to actually order some things online, have my guys pick it up, or they can actually go to the store, order it, and then they actually can just call me. I can take care of the payment. So I got some more materials I got to get. And yeah, I'm just looking forward and excited. I think we had a good week one as far as getting, majority of things demoed out there and things of that nature. But now it's time to start actually putting the vision together and putting the house back together. So if you're interested, man, just stay along with this journey. If you're interested in learning about hard money and how that works, how you can actually leverage other people's money to be able to get you investment properties to then rehab and then flip or hold on to them, I will be going over. I'm no expert. Like I said, this is my first property, but I can at least walk you through the process that I took. Whether or not I'm going to be successful at it or you're going to be successful at it is solely upon ourselves and yourself as an individual who's working towards these goals. So yeah, man, I'm really excited. I'm tired as all get out. So when I get back next week. I'm gonna start a fresh video. I'm gonna walk you guys through kind of the process and where I'm at with things. And I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys are interested, man, in this real estate thing. And as always, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at AC_the legend. Make sure you guys join my free community, which we're growing every single day. And if you're in Akron or you're in the Ohio area, you are a contractor, you know contractors, or you know people who can do work, plumbers, tile work, electricians, investors, things of that nature, tap in with me, man. I'm just eager to learn. I'm eager to meet new people in this industry, in this space. Yo, it's been well, man. See y'all later.